Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Ford F-250 XLT. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 76,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.